Hey, what's up guys, and it's here. The Samsung Galaxy S11 looking Galaxy A51 has arrived. This is an actual official image leaked via AppLeaks. It's the official press render basically confirming the actual design. So it is true that Samsung is indeed making a huge move here. They have never done this in the past. The Galaxy A series has always taken some features from the S lineup like the software and camera algorithm. If you look at the Galaxy A series from the last year, we have a U-shaped notch, a very different looking camera arrangement on the back, but this time around Samsung made sure that they look very similar to the Galaxy S11 lineup, almost as premium I would say. So the front of the phone is just like the Galaxy S11 minus the edge panel, and it has a slightly bigger chin, but that premium OLED middle hole punched panel is here as well. And then the back camera look, which is very similar to the S11. The Galaxy A51 is rocking a 6.5-inch display panel. There's also a bigger Galaxy A71 model which has a bigger screen as well as a bigger battery, but then the same design as the Galaxy A51 and the S11. In my opinion, this move will prove to be beneficial for Samsung because you are essentially getting the design of a premium $1,000 phone for like $400 to $500 range. In a world of Xiaomi and Oppo and Vivo, Samsung has to step up the game in order to truly survive, and I think this is a great move, but let me know your thoughts on this. Obviously, this phone will not going to be as good as the S11. It will most likely not be rocking the same glass as the S11, same internals as S11, same camera, but it will be pretty good compared to the impressive Galaxy A lineup of last year. Now, Galaxy A51 and the A71 both will be rocking quad camera setup on the back. The actual specs are unknown, but it should be rocking a wide, ultra-wide angle, telephoto, and macro lens, pretty much giving you the whole camera experience in just one package. And as far as the current rumor says, the main lens could be a 32 megapixel sensor. Now, interestingly enough, we're gonna see the brand new 8nm Exynos 9630 chip on the A51, which brings some good improvements over the previous generation. As for the battery size, it is expected to be 4000 mAh with 25 hours of fast charging. Now, Galaxy A51 announcement is actually really close. According to this teaser, we could be seeing the A2020 lineup on 12th December, which is just a couple of days from now, which means the next exciting year of 2020 is kicking off a bit early in 2019, so last year. So I'm really excited to see what Samsung will bring at the event. In the actual teaser image, you can see we have the design tease obviously, and then there's a picture of a ladybird. Obviously, ladybird is like a really small insect, but it's looking really big on this one. This kind of indicates the new macro lens camera we're gonna have on the A lineup. So pretty much, in my opinion, that confirms the macro lens. Again, all in all, I think the A lineup from next year will be incredibly popular, especially because of its design. But I would love to hear your opinion on that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.